Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a Facebook event cover using Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to Chrome browser, select your profile. Now in the URL box type canva.com, or you can search it up on Google. After opening the Canva website, log in with a Gmail account. It's free, you don't have to pay anything. After logging in, just go to create a design option. As you can see here, click on it. Now here you have to type Facebook and you will get the option here, Facebook event. Wait a second. Okay, you can see the Facebook event cover. Click on this. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers hundreds free templates, so you can select from it. So for example, I want to design a tech cover, so I will search tech, and you can see the cool and superb templates. You can change the text as well as text font by selecting the text and just change the font of the text. You can also change the color as well as, if you want to keep it light according to your need. You can change the text size by maximizing and minimizing it. You can change the photo as well as, just click on photo and go to upload option, and you can upload from a local drive and you can use it in the image. After doing all the changes, and just go to share option, click on download, select the format as JPG, maximize the size and click on download, and your Facebook event cover will be downloaded. So guys, this was an easy tutorial how to make a Facebook cover. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.